Namaskar. You see, many people think that eating fruits any time in a day is going to give them the same benefit. But the truth is, you should know what is the best time to eat fruits. This question is worth asking because timing matters almost as much as which fruit you choose. Your body digests and absorbs nutrients differently depending on the time of the day, and this can decide whether those vitamins actually energize you or simply pass through without much effect. So let's understand which is the best time to eat fruits to get maximum benefits. The first and most powerful time is early in the morning on an empty stomach. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your stomach is acidic, your glycogen stores are low, and your cells are hungry for nourishment. Best fruits to eat in the morning are those that energize and cleanse. When you eat fruit first thing in the morning, the natural sugar gives you quick energy, while fiber balances blood sugar and supports digestion. For example, fruits which are good to eat in the morning include banana, soaked almonds to neutralize acidity and gives potassium and magnesium for steady energy. Papaya first thing in the morning helps cleanse your digestive tract, and a handful of berries gives antioxidants that protects your skin and brain. Fruit in the morning is like switching your internal energy system in the gentlest and most effective way. Next, fruit works beautifully at the mid-morning or afternoon snack, that time when usually you reach for tea or coffee or packaged foods. Around 11 a.m. or 4 p.m., your body craves a lift instead of caffeine or biscuits. Eating fruits here keeps your energy level stable without the crash. Citrus fruits like oranges or sweet lime refreshes and hydrates you, while guava or apple gives long-lasting fiber that keeps you full. This is also the best time to eat fruits that are rich in vitamin C because your body absorbs and neutralizes all these minerals efficiently when it is not weighed down with heavy meals. The time you must be careful with is right after heavy meals or late night. This is often called the worst time to eat fruits. When you eat fruits on a full stomach, it tends to ferment and cause bloating, gases, and at night your metabolism slows down. Many ask if eating fruit at night bad. Ayurveda says yes, because the natural sugar in fruits, though healthy, can interfere with your sleep cycle and may even disturb digestion. In fact, doctors often explain, is it bad to eat fruit at night? Depends on your digestion, but generally it is best to avoid. Some people wonder about eating banana before bedtime. While banana is nutritious, its natural sugar and heaviness may not suit everyone late at night. Similarly, while there are benefits of eating apple at night, since apple has fibers and slow release of energy, or benefits of eating grapes at night with antioxidants, or even benefits of eating watermelon at night for hydration, they can disrupt digestion and sleep for many. That is why Ayurveda recommends fruits earlier in the day. Now, if you are wondering how to put all this into practice, here it is simple 7-day fruit timing planning which you can try. Monday morning, papaya with soaked almond, gentle detox for digestion. Tuesday mid-morning, an apple or guava, keeps you full till lunch. Wednesday morning, a banana, instant fuel and potassium for muscles. Thursday afternoon, orange or sweet lime, refreshing vitamin C boost. Friday morning, berries, strawberry, gooseberry, whatever berries are available. It is a powerful antioxidant for skin and brain. Saturday mid-morning, a pear, light, hydrating and good for intestine. Sunday morning, seasonal fruits like watermelon or muskmelon. Perfect hydration and cooling for those on special diet. Some even consider best timing to eat avocado for weight gain, which is usually in the morning or as a midday snack when your body can process healthy fat efficiently. This way, you are not only eating fruit at the right time, but also giving your body a variety of nutrients across the week. So you see, the right timing of fruit makes a big difference. Morning fruits sets the tone for giving you energy and clear digestion. Midday fruits prevents you from reaching towards unhealthy snacks and balances your blood sugar. And avoiding fruit at night ensures your body to rest deeply and your digestion works smoothly. Next time when you pick up fruits, don't just ask which fruit should I eat. Ask yourself, when is the best time to eat fruits? Because when you align nature's food with your body's rhythm, the same apple, banana, or orange can become medicine, energy, and vitality for you. Namaskar.